Okay, how to cut these diffusers. These plastics up here are called diffusers because they diffuse the light. How to cut them, because they were actually overhanging. They were about a foot over roughly, all right, from the centerpiece. So what I did is I measured from against the wall over to the center of this support, all right, this cross member, which is 3 1/4 inches to center, okay? Then I will show you what I do next. Let's see, how do you turn this around? Maybe it won't let me. Let's see. Okay, now I put a line here and I measured back to 11, all right? Which is 11 1/4 inches, which is to this pencil line right here. And right there, all right? So I line this up. Now the tool I'm going to use is something you would never think about, because these always want to snap and crack and break, and they're hard to cut. But you take a tile scribe. This is for scribing your tile, okay? I just went out of focus. Okay, carbide scoring, okay? So, watch what I'd have to do. Thank you. This is Home Improvement Tips, and I'm Ken. I'm going to take this scribe and I'm just going to score it 4 or 5 times, and you want to make sure you feel it cutting, okay? You want if you don't feel any resistance, and it's not really cutting. All right, I'm lining up my straight edge here, these outer lines. Now I could be doing this on a piece of plywood, which would be ideal, but I'm using what I have right now. Okay, now that's feeling resistance. You can hear it. I just moved. Okay, again, you can hear it cutting. All right, now I'm going to reverse this. I'm going to cut, make sure that this cuts nice, got it scored off the edge right here. Okay, right? You want it to score off the edge. Then I want to come right to the edge. You want to make sure that you score it all the way across off the edge so that it doesn't hang up there and then snap and crack, or you end up with an extra long piece. All right. So make sure you run it off the edge, and all right, because I'm right there at the edge, right at the edge. We're now going to run it off. Okay. Now let's see. Now I'm pressing down nice and firm with my hand and my foot. I'm going to go over a couple more times. I could snap it, and it would snap. Now it's grabbing, digging in. Now let's try it. Put your hand in the middle, slowly lift. This one is the most difficult one I've ever done. Wow. Interesting. Okay. So, all right. Now, this should break pretty smoothly, pretty easy. There you go. Now, I go to show you how to do this, and it gives me the hardest time. But here's the other cutoffs here. Really nice. And nice and clean. Alright, maybe my scribe's getting dull. Very possibly that's the case. Which means I'm going to have to make sure it's cut a little more thorough. But I feel it grabbing, you hear it cutting. Okay? You can see these others here that I cut. And I finished the one in the kitchen I just showed you. Alright, let's cut another one. Let's see if it cuts easier. Okay, I'm putting this to that pencil line in the front. Lining that up. Okay. There we go. Make sure you leave this on the back side. That will interfere and your cut will not be straight. That lined up perfectly. All right, nice firm pressure with my foot. Make sure I'm right where I want to be. Okay. All right, I'm going to run it off the edge. All right, I'm going to go right to the edge. Just at 16th inside, 8th inside. 1, 2, you can hear it cutting. 3, 4, 5. Dug in. All right, let's see. See, there you go. Quick and easy, like I told you. All right.
Good.
All right. I'm Ken. This is Home Improvement Tips. Save for future reference. Share. Tell a friend. It's a win-win-win. And this is Home Improvement Tips. And as always, never give up because there's always a way, always. Bye for now. God bless. And let's keep this world and this country in prayer. Thank you.